So one of the biggest talk coming out of the World Championships, especially after the women's sprint relay team shockingly lost the gold medal, is that our sprint relay teams need to have pre-championship camps to work on baton changes and team chemistry, etc. Now, first of all, having relay training camped months or weeks before a major championship without knowing who will make the team is crazy. And even when the team is selected, our sprinters will all be fully concentrated on their individual events. Worse, if they're doing the sprint double, none of them will be up for any relay practice before their individual events are done. Personally, I think 2 or 3 solid sessions right there within the camp between the individual events and the relays should be good enough. What we need is the conviction from all parties involved to get it done. And there is one more thing why I don't think a relay training camp for Jamaica is a good idea right now. They say a picture speaks more than 1,000 words. Look at this right here. This is our relay team members. watch the flex. Forget about the training camp. Forget them. Forget